Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with HTML code. So this is basically the start of anyone's programming journey. So we're going to just look into HTML, get a code editor and get started. So we're going to need to search up Visual Studio Code. This is the one that I prefer most and I'm going to be using it in today's video. So you just need to download for whatever yours is. So if you've got Linux, like Ubuntu or something, just do deb. Windows, you can use this one. Okay, so you can just choose here and just install it. Click finish, and we can just launch Visual Studio Code, and it looks something like this. Now I am on my Linux machine, which is my laptop. However, this is gonna look pretty much the same for you. What you need to do is click open folder, and you need to open your folder. So I'm going to create a brand new folder, and you can call this whatever you want. Once it's open, just click this new file button and type a name for your file. So now you can do the exclamation mark, click enter, and it will give you the basics for your document. And this is the basics of HTML. We don't really need to know what's going on here, we just need to know where we can edit, what different things do. So if we change this document text here, I'm going to change it to James website. Now if I show you what this looks like, so here's our index.html file. We're going to right click and then open with your browser. So now if we look at the tab over here, it says James's website, which is what we entered there. So that's what that does. If we want like the big header title, so we're going to do programming overflow. There we go, let's save that and let's refresh the page. It's important whenever you save it to refresh. And there you go, programming overflow. That's great. So now let's do a paragraph, and you can do whatever you want here. I'll just do some random text. So a paragraph is going to be something like this. So now let's say we want to change the font. We can go to Google Font and go to the font that we would like. In my case, I want Botter. So you just need to click this and copy it. Just get this one here. Paste it in here, save. Now go to Firefox and refresh your page. As you can see, nothing's happened. So what do? Well, you just need to tell it that you want it to be that font. So you just need to go on to the next line after here in the head tags and do style. And then you just need to do body, font, family, and then it'll be different depending on your font. So my font, we just need to go down to here, CSS rules, and we just need to copy and paste this part right here. So let's paste that in and click save, Control S. Or you can do file, save. I'm doing Control S. And then just refresh this page. I use function 5. And there you go. So we've got Roboto, which is the font that we selected earlier. Now let's say you want this to be in the middle and this to be in the middle. So this is an H1. That's called an H1 tag. So we just enter H1 space and then do these brackets. And now we need to type in text hyphen align. Make that center and do the same with a P, which is paragraph. So text align and then center Fox page. And as you can see, everything is in the middle. Now the next thing we're going to do is insert an image. So I have got an image. I think it's in my clipboard. Oh no, it's here. Okay, so what you need to do when you want an image is copy it. So right click and then copy. And then you need to go into the root folder. This is where you saved your file, your index.html. And then you just need to paste your image into here, or save it into here. Now I recommend you give it a good name, like 1. And then you just go up and up in numbers, so you just have to remember a number, which is probably the best option. So I'm just gonna insert the image. So to do this, it is an HTML tag. So down here we just need to do image, img, src, that means source, and then we just have to type in the name of this file, which is 1.png, and then we just do alt, and then just do hello, or something like that, whatever you want in the alt, really. And now let's refresh. So as you can see, my image is here. It's just a screenshot. However, that's huge, and you might not want something this big. So it's going back into here and doing img, and then in here you just need to do the width. And I'm gonna go with, how about 1,000 pixels? This is probably going to be way too big still. But yeah, I'm gonna just do 500 pixels. Now what we can do then is text align center. Now refresh. I can see that's put it there. So what if we want text align center? So we want this image to be in the center. Text align center isn't the best way of doing it, but it's the easiest for now because beginners is the best for beginners. So you just do dots and then img center, and then inside of here you're going to put this. So just paste this in, simple, and then do another thing here. Now as we named it img earlier, we're going to do a dot in front of it, and then we're going to do the brackets, and then we're going to do text hyphen align center. So there you go, that is the basics of HTML. Thank you for watching, and more parts will be coming soon. Once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this did help you, and also turn on notifications if you want to know when there's a new part of this. Goodbye.